Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making a beaded hoop earring. So the first thing that you're going to need your beads. Secondly, you're going to need your hoops, which I'm using the earrings already, as well as our copper wire, and this one is specially made for earrings. And lastly, we're going to need our piler for cutting, right? But if you could ask me, this copper is quite soft. You can also cut with a scissor if you don't have a piler. This one is just for formality. Okay, so I'm going with the orange beads. This one is what I got, so you can actually go with any beads that you prefer, any color that you prefer as well. There is no rule of it. So you're going to take your wire and wrap it around your hoop around 5 or 6 times. Then what you see me doing here, I'm just making sure that all my rounds, like, they are too close together, there is no like a space. Then I'm going to cut like the remaining one. Okay, then I'm still going to use the same tool, my piler, and make sure that where I cut it's kind of like flat, like it's not going to be like standing. I hope you can see what I'm trying to do. Like, it's not going to be like standing so that it's going to hook things, because it's an earring. It can be very easily to hook things. All right, so you're going to make sure that it's very smooth at the end. Then when you are done, you're going to put your beads. So putting your beads, they're just going to be flat. So as you see me doing it, I'm just going to like twist it a little bit so that it can stand, right? You should be able to see that your hole is on the direction of your wire, right? So when you are done doing so, you're gonna have to make sure that you go ahead and use the opening and wrap your wire about 2 times. Then you continue doing the same thing, putting your beads, wrap it around 2 times. Yeah, and that's it. Just make sure that your beads are too close to each other. So after putting the last bead, you're going to make sure that you wrap at the last like about 4 to 5 to 6 times, the very same wall that you did at the beginning. Then you use your piler and cut, right? So the beads that I use here, I use about 16 beads, and it depends on the size of the hoop. The bigger the size, the more the beads you're gonna need. So when you are done with everything, you're just going to make sure that you use your cutter and cut, right? Then you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for your second earring. Then you're good to go, right? So if you really like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're going to try to do something like this, kindly tag me on Instagram. My name is Nolo Matlakale, the same username that I'm using for this channel. So you go ahead and tag me so that I can know if I'm really making an impact on somebody else. But either way, I will see you on my next video. Bye.